Functions of small intestine. What does it do? The small intestine is the largest part of digestive system and plays a vital role in digestion and absorption of nutrients. Its main functions are digestion of food, enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver act in the small intestine to break down carbohydrate, protein, and fats. Examples: carbohydrate means glucose, protein, amino acids, fatty acids. Second one is absorption of nutrients. The inner wall of the small intestine has finger-like projection called as villi and microvilli, which increase the surface area for absorption. Nutrients are absorbed into the blood. Example: glucose, amino acids, vitamins, minerals. Secretion of digestive juice. The intestinal glands secrete the intestinal juice, which contain the enzymes that help in the final breakdown of. Fourth one is transport of food. Through the peristaltic movement of the small intestine, mix the food with digestive juice and push it forward for absorption and then towards the large intestine.